Hi, how are you doing today? And we are going to walk around on how to log in a Gmail inside a new phone or another phone, like a Gmail account you have already. You want to log it into another phone that you have. Okay, let's get started. When you come to your Gmail app, I think it should be like this. What you're going to do is you click on this icon at the top right of the screen. When you click on it, if you have other Gmail accounts logged in your phone, you will see some of them here, like mine. Then you come down and see add another account. You click on add another account and click on Google. When you click on Google, it will prompt you to enter your password or use fingerprint. I'm using fingerprint here. Now it will then bring a space for me to enter my email. I'm going to enter my email here. This is the email that I want to log in with. I want to log into my phone, sorry. Okay, you can either type it this way or type it in full at gmail.com, but for me to save time, I'm going to just leave it this way. Just John Martin Stitch, and then next. So it will then prompt me to enter my password here. So I'm entering my password now, and then now I've entered my password. I'll then click next and add a phone number, this one, that one. Then if you want to add a phone number like a recovery phone number or something of that nature, because this particular email there is no phone number attached to it. So if you have a phone number attached to the email already, it will prompt you to add a phone number. Sorry, if you have a phone number attached to the email already, it won't prompt you to attach a phone number. Instead, it will show you, it will ask you whether this is really your phone number. Okay. Or if you have security set up like two-factor authentication, it might ask you to confirm your phone number. But here we don't want to add any phone number to the email. We are going to click on skip. We click on skip and we agree on their terms and conditions. You can read the terms and conditions here. Click on the Google Terms of Service and all that and read. It's very long. We click on agree. I agree. Boom. We are here already and it's logged in. Now let's check whether we can see it. And we click on the icon. It's showing us all the emails that we have here. And here we go. It's the last one here before the non-Gmails. So it's the last one, John Martin Stitch, this particular one. At this point now, like the video and let's give this video a thumbs up. Just like it now, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And in this channel I'll be giving you phone tips, anything about your Android phone, how to operate it, how to do some certain things in your Android phone. Okay, thanks for watching.